Hello, backyard detectives. Join us in our mission to an urban community farm, Kaboon Community Hardamas. Before we begin, let's meet our two detectives, Detective X and Triple X. Let's follow Detective X and Triple X as they go through their mission in the Kaboon. First up, the plant scavenger hunt. The detectives must identify the plants and vegetables in the Kaboon. Next, they help the community members harvest the ready-to-eat vegetables. Oh no, looks like they spotted an enemy. Who could that be? Once Mr. Snails was out of the way, they went on their next mission, watering the plants. The detectives completed the mission, thwarted the enemy, and had loads of fun while doing so. That's all from us today. See you on our next adventure.